NE Railway installs water level monitoring system on 18 bridges. Pioneer News Service Varanasi Indian Railways is continuously adopting modern technology for safe and secure train operation. In this direct TN, North Eastern Railway NER has installed water level monitoring system on 18 major river bridges. These systems have been installed at the bridges built on rivers Ganga, Gandak, Ghaghara, Gomti and Choti Gandak rivers in the Varanasi division of NER, while rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Deva in Izatnagar division and Ghaghara, Rapti, Ghaghara, Sharda, Babai, Saryu, Kakrar and Rohini rivers in Lucknow division. Through these systems, information about the water level is received by the officers concerned through automated SMS. To monitor the water level of rivers during monsoon, the systems have been installed on bridge number 137 on Gomti River between Onrihar Varanasi section, bridge number 111 on Ganga between Varanasi Prayagraj, bridge number 31 on Ghaghara River between Salempur Indra, bridge number 16 on Ghaghara River between Chhapra Patna, bridge number 50 on Gandak River between Nakatiaganj Kaptanganj and bridge number 119 on Choti Gandak River between Siwan Bhatni in Varanasi division of NER. Besides, the system has also installed on bridge number 409 on Kachla Ganga River between Izatnagar Kasganj, bridge number 104 on Kosi River between Lalko and Kashipur, bridge number 270 on Devha River between Pilibhit Bhojipura and bridge number 554 on Yamuna between Kasganj Mathura in Izatnagar division, apart from bridge number 151 built on Ghaghara River between Barni Gonda, bridge number 18 on Saryu River between Mankapur Ayodhya Dham, bridge number 182 on Kakra River and bridge number 184 on Rapti River between Gorakhpur Mankapur, bridge number 4 on Rohini River between Gorakhpur Anand Nagar, bridge number 55 on Babai River between Nanpara Dudhwa and bridge number 97 on Sharda River between Dudhwa Melani and bridge number 391 between Gonda Budhwa in Lucknow division. With the installation of these systems, it has become easy to get information about water level on railway bridges built on rivers. These systems have a sensor connected to the solar panel, which also has a chip attached. This sensor is connected to the track management system. Information about the water level of rivers is received at regular intervals every day through SMS on the mobile numbers of the concerned assistant divisional engineers, section engineers works, and section engineers railway. As a result, it becomes easy to protect the railway track by taking prompt action on receiving information about the water level of the river on time. The railway administration is constantly moving on the path of safety improvement by incorporating new technologies, said CPRO of NER Pankaj Kumar.